Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the next problem set from chapter number 2, number work. Problem set 6. Now, in this problem set, our question number 1 is write the proper symbol more than or less than. Okay, so it means we have to compare the given numbers. So for that purpose, we will see the example 5705 and 15705. So very first, what we have to do? Our first rule is we have to count the numbers. Okay. So here how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means here in 15,705 there are more digits. It means this number is greater. One more example. 22,74,705 and the second number is given 12,74,705. Okay, so now here as per our first rule, we will count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So now here both the numbers are having same digits. Okay, so let's start from the first digit. Okay, so here the first digit is 2, but here the first digit is 1. So which one is greater? 2 is greater. That's why 22,74,705 is greater than 12,74,705. Now third one is 35,33,302. But another number is given 35,32,302. Okay. So first we should count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So both the sides same digits. So now what I said, our second step, we have to see the first digit. Okay. So we'll see first digit is 3. Here also first digit is 3. Now let's move to the next digit. Second digit is 5, but here second digit is again 5. Now we'll see the third digit. Third digit, both the sides, third digit is 3, same. Now we'll move to the fourth digit. Fourth digit is 3 and here fourth digit is 2. Okay, so now we got the difference on the fourth place, fourth digit. Okay, so here the fourth digit is 3, which is greater than the fourth digit of that number 2. So which number is greater? 35,33,302. Okay, so this way you have to solve the remaining 3 sums. Is that clear? Now we'll move ahead to the word problems. So let's see word problems. The first one is the Swayam Siddha Saving Group made 3,45,000 papads while the Swabhimani group made 2,95,000. Which group made more papads? So very first, as per I told you the rules. What we have to do? We have to see the numbers. The numbers are given that Swayam Siddha group, how many papads they made? 3,45,000. Okay. And Swabhimani Group, they made 2,95,000 papads. Okay. So once again we have the numbers in front of us. First we have to count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means both the numbers are having same digits. So now as per our second step, what we have to see? First digit. First digit is 3 and here the first digit is 2. So which one is greater? 3 is greater. Okay. So which group has made the more papads? Swayam Siddha. Correct? So for that purpose, I will write the answer. $3,45,000. The number is greater than 2,95,000. Okay. So therefore, Swayam Siddha group. What is our question asked? Which group made more papads? So Swayam Siddha group made more papads. Okay. This is the final answer. Okay. Now the second sum. Yes, I told second, but second and third you have to read and try to solve by your own, that are on the same condition or the same guideline of first. We'll see directly the question number 4. Now here at an exhibition, the Annapurna Saving Group sold goods worth rupees 5,12,000. Okay. So we will just write down the information. अन्नपूर्णा ग्रुप सेविंग्स कितना है उसका? 5 lakh rupees, 5,12,000, 12,345. Then Nirman Group, okay, Nirman Group 4,12,900. Now third one is Srujan Group. $4,33,000. And the last is Savitribai Phule Group. Okay, so very first we had written the information. Then what we have to do? Before reading the next question, we will see the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So all the groups are having same digits. Now we'll see the first question. Which group had the largest sales and which group had the smallest? So our first question is the largest scale. So largest scale, how we will find out? All the digits are same. So we will see the first digit. So here 5, 4, 4 and 5. It means these two will get cancelled because both the numbers are less. Okay. So here these two numbers are having same first digit. Now we'll move to the second. Second, here is 1 and here also 1. Again we will move to the third. So here 2 and here it is 1. So which is greater? 2 is greater. It means Annapurna group has done the greatest sales. Okay. So we'll write the largest sale made by which group? Annapurna group. Rupees how much? 5,12,345. Okay. So this is the answer of first question. Now what is the second question? Second question is smallest. Now we know that these two numbers are large numbers. So here we will see these two numbers are small numbers. So we will compare only these two numbers. So first digit is 4. Second digit here 1 and here it is 3. It means which one is smallest? The 4,12,900 is the smallest. So Nirman group. So the smallest sale made by Nirman group. Okay. Rupees 4,12,900. Okay. And the third question is write the sales figure in ascending order. What is the ascending order? Ascending means from small to greater. So we will first arrange it. So what is the smallest? We know this is the smallest. So this is the first. Then this one will be the second. Then what will be the third? This is the greatest. It means this one will be the third and this one will be the fourth. Okay. So our first number will be this, second, third and fourth. So this way we have to arrange in ascending order. Okay. So now ascending order you have to write by your own. Is that clear? So what is your work? Problem set 6, question number 1, remaining 3 sums, and question number 2, first and fourth I showed you, second and third you have to solve by your own. Okay? Understood? Thank you children.